Welcome back, and today we're making a simple tomato soup. You'll need fresh tomatoes and a brave heart.
These tomatoes were plucked at midnight. Their blood is still warm. Let's begin.
The onions must weep with you. Cry until the knife feels at home in your hand.
Add garlic, or your secrets, or both.
Let it simmer as you chant your deepest fears.
Now sprinkle in salt. Just enough to taste the ocean of tears it's born from.
Some herbs call to the other side. Listen closely as they sing in the steam.
A drop of this elixir will awaken the soup. Too much, and it will awaken everything else.
Let it bubble. Let it speak. If it asks for more,
taste it. Let it slither down your throat and anchor itself in your bones.
Thank you for cooking with us.
May you never be hungry or safe again.